Hi guys, Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I got my girls, 2 of my 11 kids here, Hattie and Adeline. They're helping me meal prep for the week. And so what we're gonna do today is we are going to make a peanut butter chocolate marble cake. Now you can do a marble cake with the Baker's Basic and the chocolate as well, but I love peanut butter chocolate, who doesn't? So I'm gonna do it with the peanut butter chocolate, okay? I am going to take 2 cups of the peanut butter cake mix and put them in one bowl.
Then it's gonna be a cake with marbles inside of it.
Yeah, silly. And then I'm gonna do 2 cups of the chocolate lovers cake mix. Okay.
You get chocolate and I get vanilla.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna 2 cups, and then you put the same amount of egg whites. Okay, so however much you use, you put the same amount of egg whites. Okay, kiddos, be quiet because mommy's talking. So I'm gonna do 2 more cups in here. Adeline, wanna help Mom? There's 1. Oh, I got some more. Just a second, cutie. Watch out. There you go, Adeline. Help Mama, cutie. Okay, so there's 2 cups in each. And then you put half the amount of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay? So we're gonna put 1 cup of Greek yogurt in each one. Whoopsie, whoopsie. So it looks like that's about a cup for each one. So there's 1 cup for that. And then another cup in here. Okay, guys?
I'm 7 years old, Mama.
So and you can do this with a fork too, guys. You don't have to, if you don't have a blender, don't worry about it. You can just do it with a fork. Okay, that's good. Hi, baby boy.
Hey, boy.
Okay, guys, so now what I'm going to do is spray my pan. I got my 11 by 17 pan here. I'm going to put all this to the side.
Hello.
I'm going to spray it.
Hello.
And
He said hello.
I'm going to take this here.
Mom, he said hello.
I know, he's been talking a lot
Hello.
lately. And guys, you might, it's not mixed. If you see that it's not mixed, you can literally just go like that and fix it. Okay. So there's the chocolate. We're gonna spread it out, and then we're gonna spread the marble through it.
Oh, you already put the marbles in?
Here.
Oh my goodness, Mom, you put marbles in. It's gonna taste like a marble cake. A choking cake. Oh yeah. It's a thing.
And you don't, let me tell you what you don't want to do. You don't want to blend all this because you want to see the marble. Okay. The only thing I would recommend, let me grab a fork real quick. Watch out, girls. Okay. The only thing I'd say is you might want to go through here and go like this, just a little bit. Okay. See that?
Marble cake. Smells like Keto.
And we're gonna put this in the oven at 350, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, I got this out of the oven and it took just under an hour to cook. But again, please do your own toothpick test. Everybody's oven is different. I had other things in the oven while I was cooking this, so it probably took longer than normal. So you might want to put it in for 30 minutes and then do a toothpick test, see what happens. But excuse me, it's so delicious, looks like a marble cake. I will tell you something about this cake though. So I did 4 cups. I did 2 cups peanut butter, 2 cups chocolate. It did overflow. You don't want to do more than 3 cups in an 11 by 17, okay? It did overflow just a little bit, make a little bit of a mess. So you're gonna want to do 3 cups, not 4, and you're gonna want to cut this in 12 servings, not 16. Okay, guys. But again, you're looking at about 20 grams of protein in each one of these, and you're looking at about 150 calories and less than 3 net carbs and less than 4 grams fat. Like, it doesn't get better than this, guys. It's all protein, low fat, low carb, and it tastes like a peanut butter chocolate chip cake. You can even put chocolate chips on it if you want. That's something I didn't do. But this is how I'm going to meal prep. That way I just can grab and go. I can keep these in the freezer and just nuke them for a few seconds when I take them out. Okay, guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. If you live nearby, visit us in the Davison Farmers Market. We're there Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. If you don't live nearby, it's not a problem. You can just go on healthytreatsmarket.com, click on recipes to see more recipes like this, and you can place an order online. Thanks for watching. God bless you.